Alright guys, so we've got the batteries in. All the cables are connected, or they're supposed to be connected. Just want to make sure they're all hooked up. And we're just going to go ahead and start. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm screwing this down. That's all I'm doing. Just grabbing these, putting them on this thing. It was a little rusty, surprisingly, how dirty these terminals were. But hopefully this will fix the starting issue. She's having trouble starting. Nice and tight. There you go. And that's it. Well, you see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but that did not get hooked up, so I need to undo that one. What a loser. Now I gotta unscrew it. Put this terminal on there. Get these batteries close enough. There we go. Now I'll put that terminal on there. And there we go. All right. Well, I'm just gonna leave that socket there because I can't get it off. No, I'm just kidding. I'm about to get real stuck on it. All right, now we're gonna hook up the Nocco Pro. Try to jump start it. Probably not gonna start, but we're gonna see. So I just sprayed some starter fluid in there. Now let's see if this beast wants to start. Batteries are sitting at 12.9, pretty good. Now let's see.